Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by wiring the route call where user action occurs. For example, inside and on pressed. Call Navigator. Push with the current build context and a material page route. Use a builder that returns the destination widget so Flutter can construct the new screen lazily. You do this now because it preserves the previous route on the stack and enables back navigation automatically. Once done, make sure to import material. Dart and keep UI code concise, so the route transition remains smooth and predictable for users. Once the push is in place, you often need to pass data or receive a result. Instantiate the destination widget with constructor parameters or set route settings arguments. Then await the push call to capture returned values when the pushed route pops. Use conditional checks because users may pop without sending data, returning null. When updating state with the result, wrap changes in set state or equivalent and validate types to avoid runtime errors. This keeps your UI consistent and avoids crashes during back navigation. To finish navigation, call Navigator. Pop with an optional result from the destination so the original caller receives it. Make sure you pop the same context that created the route, or else you'll get exceptions. Prefer contexts tied to scaffold or the widget that pushed the route. If transitions or results fail, check that your builder returns a widget, that types match expected models, and that null safety is handled. One key troubleshooting tip. If you see no context errors, verify the build context isn't from a disposed widget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.